Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the Suzuki Alto 2026, a compact car that continues to focus on simplicity, efficiency, and affordability for everyday driving. This model is designed mainly for city use, making it a practical choice for drivers who want easy mobility, low fuel costs, and reliable performance. The 2026 version brings small but meaningful updates that keep the Alto competitive in the entry-level hatchback segment while staying true to its core identity. From the outside, the Suzuki Alto 2026 features a refreshed and clean design that feels more modern than before. The front end looks sharper with redesigned headlights and a smoother grille that gives the car a friendly yet confident appearance. The bumper design is slightly sportier, helping the Alto feel less basic while still remaining simple and functional. The compact body size is one of its biggest advantages, allowing drivers to easily navigate through tight city streets and park in small spaces. The side profile remains minimal, with subtle character lines that add some visual interest. At the rear, updated tail lights and a cleaner layout complete the look, making the Alto feel fresh without losing its recognizable shape. Inside the cabin, the Suzuki Alto 2026 keeps things straightforward and practical. The dashboard layout is clean, the controls are easy to understand, and visibility is good for city driving. The seats are designed for daily comfort, and the overall cabin focuses on usability rather than luxury. Under the hood, the Suzuki Alto 2026 is expected to come with a small displacement petrol engine that prioritizes fuel efficiency and reliability. This engine is well suited for urban environments, offering smooth acceleration for daily commutes and short trips. The lightweight construction of the car helps improve fuel economy, which is one of the Alto's strongest points. The steering is light and responsive, making it easy to maneuver in traffic, while the suspension is tuned to handle bumps and uneven roads commonly found in city areas. Overall performance is calm and stable, ideal for drivers who value efficiency over aggressive power. Safety in the Suzuki Alto 2026 focuses on essential protection. The car is expected to include basic safety features such as dual front airbags, an anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, and seatbelt reminders. The body structure has been designed to offer improved impact protection compared to older models. While it may not offer advanced driver assistance systems, it provides the necessary safety features required for daily urban use and peace of mind for drivers and passengers. One of the biggest strengths of the Suzuki Alto 2026 is its unique selling points. The car stands out for its extremely low running costs, excellent fuel efficiency, and easy maintenance. Spare parts are widely available and affordable, making ownership simple and stress-free. Its compact size makes it an excellent option for new drivers, students, and anyone who frequently drives in busy city environments. The Alto is also known for its reliability, which has helped it build a strong reputation over the years. In terms of price, the Suzuki Alto 2026 is expected to remain one of the most affordable cars in its category. While exact pricing will depend on the market and variant, it is designed to fit within a budget-friendly range. This makes it an attractive option for first-time car buyers and families looking for an economical daily driver or a second vehicle for household use. To conclude, the Suzuki Alto 2026 continues to deliver what it does best: affordable transportation with excellent efficiency and practicality. With its updated exterior, simple and functional interior, reliable performance, essential safety features, and competitive pricing, it remains a strong choice for city driving. For buyers who want a no-nonsense car that is easy to own and operate, the Suzuki Alto 2026 is a sensible and dependable option.